Welcome to the Techy Roque. You're watching this video, and if you want to stay focused, and if you're addicted to your phone and your phone got away your sleep, so there's a app Your Hour, and there's a digital solution to improve it and you get rid of your phone addiction. So this is the app Your Hour, and for installing it, just go to the Play Store, and here's Your Hour phone addiction tracker and controller. So basically, this is the app. Getting more and more addicted with your phone, then and you're not able to stay focused, then this will remove your phone addiction for you. So just install it and open it. So when you open, you see this time, and as you can see, what is me. So here's the addiction level. Addicted is more than 5.5 hour, obsessed and dependent, addicted. And if you click on this, then this will show you the which app on which time is used. So as you can see, at 12:03 a.m. 13 minutes is used in these apps, and this is the launcher of default launcher and WhatsApp. So you can see at all the time, and all apps default opening time is 30 minutes, and as you can see, Instagram is 50 minutes beyond, means that overused, and in the YouTube there are 16 minutes left out of 30 minutes. You can change at your own. And there's a visit count 6, that means I opened it 6 times. And as you can see, my usage time is 2 hours 7 minutes out of 5 hours, and there's a 35 unlock count over 50 hours, over 50 unlock count. For controlling YouTube, just open any app, then it will show the time to be being used. So when you open any app, it will show the time, and I'm 4 minutes and 57 seconds I'm using it, and now it's 5 minutes. You can open any app like YouTube, it will show the time that how much you used your app. I'm used for, so as you can open it, it will show the Pinterest time, that is I am not open Pinterest, this is the first time, it is 12:13 seconds. And if you open Instagram, then you can see the time, that is 45 minutes. I used today Instagram of 45, and if I open Chrome, that is 5 minutes 28. You can open anything like data users. If I open, then it will show the time, that is 1 minute I've used. So by this you can control, and you can see the time how much you used your app, any app, YouTube, Insta, Facebook, Messenger, any app, and will show the most used app and most visit. YouTube app 142 counts, app running time 8 hours 37 minutes. Don't worry, it's the week, it's the time of the whole week. I used 8 hours, I spent 8 hours 37 minutes in this week. And in the Instagram 7 hours 54 minutes, and the PUBG not, it's only 6 hours 35 minutes in a week. That's not. So you can control yourself, every app, everything. Control your addiction by this timer. The timer controls your limit. So thanks for watching.